Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Charles Fort Lauderdale Garden. Well, I'm here going to give you a quick video of the cantaloupe bed. Well, in the last video, I harvested the biggest cantaloupe yet, and here is the small one. Do you notice anything? Well, it didn't mature, and it started turning yellow, which means it's no good. Yeah, it looks more like a pumpkin than a cantaloupe. But that's how it is when you garden. You lose some and you win some. So this will be taken up and the entire bed will be cleaned up as we prepare for the fall crops. Yes, so that's going on with the cantaloupe bed. We got one. I was able to make some smoothies from it and it tasted very delicious. But don't worry, even though I may not be able to harvest this fruit, there's another fruit in the garden that's ready to be harvested. So come with me. Let's go do that. Yes, folks, I have two beauties here to be harvested today. These lovely papayas. So let's get to them. So here's papaya number one. Beautiful. What do you think? Do you like papayas? It's a superfood. All right, let's get number two. There you go. Lovely. You see that sap? It's called papain. Yeah. Papain is an enzyme that breaks down protein. So here are the two beauties. What do you think? The next harvest on this side will be most likely this one right here. But my eyes are also on the other side of the garden, on the next, on the other papaya tree. I think there are two over here that we will have to harvest in a few days. This huge one and this one appears to be ready. Wow. Yeah, look at that. There you go. So I got two in my container over there and one more. And that's lovely. So you see, you may lose some of your crops in a garden. Yeah, you will lose some of your crops, but the number of harvests outweighs them all. Yeah, so that's how it is, my dear folks. Did you know this? Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for stopping by again. And I'll see you next time right here in the Charles Fort Lauderdale Garden